Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to use AI Eraser in Gallery. So first of all, of course, let's open Gallery and let's select the photo that you want to fix. Now at the bottom, let's tap AI Edit and let's tap AI Eraser. So you will see different methods right here. Additionally, you can change the size of the brush. I will go to medium and for example, I want to use brush to erase. So I want to erase this object from my photo. So I will brush it like this, and you have to wait until AI Eraser works, and this is like the final result. When you want to save your photo, you want to tap this check mark in the bottom right, and now in the top right, let's press save button, and you have two options. You can save this photo as new, or you can replace original. If you select save as new, you will have the original photo right here and edited one. So that is basically it, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.